How to watch movies in Stremio. Now, if you haven't downloaded specific platform yet, just simply open up your favorite browser and then just head straight into Stremio.com. And then this is going to be their homepage. Now, just simply choose another downloads so that you will have another options depending on your build of your PC or your operating system. If you have Windows, then simply choose on 5.0. And then if you have for Mac, just simply choose on this link and so on and so forth. Once you have downloaded this platform, just simply install it, and this is going to be the Stremio interface. And what you can do is you can try to log in your account or create a new account so that you can use your customize or play videos using the URL or magnet link, and as well as add existing add-ons. So as you can see, not all movies is available using Stremio app, but if you would like to add another extensions or use any add-ons, just simply use this puzzle icon right here, and then just simply choose on whether it's going to be a community add-ons or a third-party add-ons. And that's it. That's how you watch movies in Stremio.